There is a person is there, Duvernay. His name is Duvernay. Duvernay. Wholesale baking company owner. Wholesale baking company owner in the New York. Henry G. Duvernay. His name is the Duvernay. Duvernay. Baking company. Breads, okay, biscuits, like a baking company owner. He's the owner. He wanted to supply bread to a famous hotel. Observe very carefully this story, dosto. He want to supply bread to a famous hotel. Every week, he visited the hotel manager. Every week, he visited the hotel manager. Hotel manager not interested to listen from this person. Multiple weeks. Even he took in his hotel only a room, at least to communicate with the hotel manager. 4 years he tried like anything, man. His target is he want to sell breads to that hotel. Maybe I don't know why that person is very fancy about that famous hotel. Okay, maybe if they are going to supply to the famous hotel, all the remaining people also may his business may rise. Like maybe he thought 4 years he tried to sell the breads. His manager, hotel manager, attended. He attended social events, stayed in the same hotel, tried every possible way to get the business. Every possible way to get the business. Nothing worked. Here the problem is, whenever he's getting the chance to talk with the manager, he's always talking about my bread is so and so. Okay, my bread is too good. Fresh breads, least price we are going to offer. He's always talk about buy my company breads, buy my company breads. He's always talking about what he required. Identified the problem. Are you seeing the problem?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That is the problem. He's always talking about my breads are too good when compared with the remaining. These breads are full tasty. These breads are fresh breads only. I can always talking about this person. Okay, he's the things only. Then automatically one day he met some person, maybe they'll like he met a person. He understand the psychology of the human. This Duvernay changed his strategy. Instead of asking how I can sell more bread, he asked what is this manager truly interested in? What is this manager truly interested in? He start working on that. Okay. Soon he discovered very important point, very important thing. The manager loved an organization called the Hotel Creators of America. An organization is there. The Hotel Creators of America. Okay, it's something like it's a just a club kind of thing. The Hotel Creators of America, an organization, okay, is there. For that organization, he is the president. The hotel manager is the president. He loves that organization like anything. Throughout America, anywhere the meetings are happening, okay, this hotel manager, because he's the president of that, he loves his passion is more about that club. America, the Hotel Creators of America, that organization. He identified that. This the bakery owner, he identified that. Duveran. He identified Duvernay. He identified that. Next time they meet, Duvernay didn't mention about bread, not even once. He didn't talk about the bread ban. At least once also. No. Instead, he asked about the hotel creators organization. Sir, I heard about this organization. Multiple people are there, it seems. Do you know? So, how you started this, or how you became, how fancy you are, like this person talks about only that organization. Then the manager felt very happy to talk about that, because his passion is that. Almost 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours a day. So at the beginning, that association or that organization, only 2 members, 3 members, and now it is almost 400 members. Do you know, I kept my sweat like anything. I spend my whole life only for that organization. I love that organization like anything. Like this hotel manager talks continuously about 2 hours or 3 hours and so on. In the total discussion, the bakery owner never talked about bread at least once also. At least once also. Okay? Then he left. 4 years he tried to sell the bread, sir, but he didn't succeed. But this person just talked about where that person is fancy about. These linked things only he had it. After that, what happened is these hotel people, Stefan, these hotel people made a call. So me, my manager could be Babu. Okay, what you did with my manager? My manager want to buy the breads only from your bakery. Only from your bakery. Come up with the samples and price list. Like this hotel related person made a phone call to the bakery owner. Okay? And then the business is happened. They know multiple. The business is happened multiple years continuously, man. Have you observed? 4 years he failed, but just in one single meeting, complete strategy got changed. Complete results got changed like anything. Where is the difference? 4 years, the bakery owner is always talks about my requirement, my requirement. Okay, I'm going to sell the breads like. But in the next last meeting, he never used the word bread. He used only one word, the greatest. Or the target, what is the hotel greatest of America. Used only that, then automatically have you observed the change. That is the beautiness what you people should be aware. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So don't talk about what you require. Always identify opposite person interest, opposite person passions, opposite person's priorities. Talk about those. Automatically everyone is going to love you. Maybe your wife, maybe your girlfriend, maybe your husband, or maybe your parents, or maybe your colleagues. At a beautiful example. 4 years he is not in a position to do the business with that hotel. Just changed the strategy. He changed the frequency. He set the frequency of hotel manager. Then the things got worked. So what finally helped Duvernay win the business? Talking more about bread or talking about what the hotel manager loved?
Talked about what the hotel manager loved.
Exactly. He talked about what the hotel manager loved. The same thing you required to talk now. You are going to win opposite person's heart. Getting right? Always talk about their priorities. Always talk about their interests. Always talk about their passions. Then everyone loves you. Remember,